So in this question here, I'm just going to go through a typical Venn diagram style question. So just to make it slightly different, instead of calling our events A and B, we're going to call the events D and F. And you can see that we filled the elements of D and F in within those two Venn diagrams. What we're going to work out is some probabilities. So the first thing we're going to work out is the probability of D, N, F. Now, obviously, to work out probability, we also need to know the total of all the outcomes. So if I add all the elements in this section together, I have 10 plus 6 plus 5 plus 9, which comes to 16, 21, 30. So there are 30 elements in this altogether. So D and F, if you recall, D and F is everything that's in D and has to be in F, D intersection F. And if you recall from our videos on Venn diagrams, that's everything in that intersection there, which is 6. So the probability of D and F is 6 out of 30. What we're going to do next is we're going to look at the probability of D dash. So remember, that's our complement of D, so that's everything that isn't D. So as long as I stay out of D, that's fine. So if I shade in everything that isn't D, you can see that two areas, main areas, come to life, the 5 and the 9. So if I sum those together, I get 14. So the probability of D dash is 14 out of 30. Okay, so the next thing we're going to look at is the probability of D and F dash. So it's everything to do with D and everything to do with not F. Now, if you remember, everything to do with D is everything within the circle D. Everything to do with not F is everything outside of F. Now, if you recall, because this is an intersection, we're looking for where those two shaded colours intersect, and it's within that, what we'd call that crescent moon shape there, where the 10 is. So D and F dash is 10. So the probability of D and F dash is 10 out of 30. And then finally, we're going to look at one more probability here. And we're going to look at the probability of D, U, F. So that's D or F. That's the union of D and F. So if I shade in D, and that's that circle there, and I shade in F, you can see that DUF is anything that can occur in D or anything that can occur in F. So that would be the sum of 10, 6 and 5, which is 21 over 30.